So I want to import this model into Mixamo. And one thing I like to do is you click on your model and you see this point right here. This is what we call the cursor. So it's where if you import objects into your scene, that's where the objects will go to. And so we want to set the coordinates of this object to be 0, 0. So click on your object, go to apply, do all transform. And so when you go into Mixamo, it will be in the place, it will show up in the Mixamo. If you don't do this in the Mixamo, it won't show up there at all. And you want to set origin, because the cursor point's right there. Set origin to 3D cursor. And so now you see the dot right there. It will be perfect, which is where we want it to be. I'm trying to export it, and what I usually do is export as OBJ, because sometimes when you export it FBX, it just has an error that comes up. So I would recommend doing OBJ, and the character is already textured. So we want to do selection, go to selection only, wavefront, I'll just go and export it. We want to click on our character, so just let it upload in Mixamo. And right now we have the character set right here after loading, and we want to import it. Just select all the parts, just do as it says, chin, go to where the character your chin is, go to wrists, go to elbow, go to knee, and then go to groin. And sometimes it won't work out, so you might have to adjust and move it, but make sure you click on number of fingers you have, like standard skeleton, click on next and just give it a bit. And I also have a tutorial on making anime type shaders if you're interested in that, besides animating, so definitely check that out. Okay, luckily my character got in, so you do next. Your 3D character has to be uploaded. Pursue this new character. Your previous character will not be saved. Click next. And this is just the easy way for a character to come in with OBJ. And if we just click on, let's say you want to sit down like that, we could just download character with skin. I'm doing 30 frames, so we download it, and now it becomes FBX when we export it from Mixamo normally. So we want to import, go FBX, go to where we had it sitting laughing, and now it's just really small, but you can just easily scale it up. And so you just press play. Now the character will be in the scene laughing. And the thing is, this character is textured, so all we gotta do, because it's the same texture, just click on everything, press A, click everything, copy and paste it, and go here, new, delete that, and now we have the same textures applied, and now you have your own character textured up. Because if I ever do it FBX, export FBX, I know the method is export at FPS. Let's just go download. We go to copy. We go click on here, embed textures, so it just keeps the textures on. You want to click select an object, click on mesh, and this is usually what you do. You export it, and the characters up like that. And usually I've tried to do myself. There's just errors, but this is a model we just exported. So now let's see if it works if there's an error, because it's the same process as OBJ. The coordinates are 0, 0, so it should be fine. And this is the error we come up with. I'm not sure why it does that, and sometimes it'll go in and the character will show and you'll put the chin and wrist and everything, but I just get the error. I'm not really sure. If you guys can tell me, but otherwise if you have the FBX model, import into Blender or whatever program you're using, and just export it as OBJ, and then you can put it into Mixamo and make sure all those transforms are 0, 0. Once you have that, you can have your character animated in the scene, and then you can just import a couple others into your environment. Also, I have playlists if you guys want to learn some more Blender tutorials and texturing, so definitely check that out. But I hope this Mixamo tutorial helped you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.